Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. Today's going to be our final day of working with context clues. So today's going to be the day where you get to show me everything that you've learned in the unit and how you can apply it to your work. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be answering questions on 3 Google Slides. So it's going to be drag and drop and typing. Let me show you what we're doing today, and I'll go ahead and I'll move my screen over here to make it a little easier. Okay, so the first page is going to be, you're going to give me like the meanings of context clues. So for this drag and drop, you're going to fill in the blanks with the correct word. And this is just giving us ideas for what context clues are. So what you'll do is you'll read the sentence, and then once you find the word over here in pink, once you find the one that it matches, you'll go ahead and drag it in and leave it there. All right, so after you've completed that, you'll come over to the next slide, which is types of context clues. So you're going to be matching the sentences to the correct type of context clue. And the types of context clues that you have the definition or the meaning of the word. You have examples, so when they give you examples of the word. Synonyms, and we know that means the same, antonyms, which means the opposite, and then finally word parts, so prefix, suffix, or root. For word parts, you can figure out the meaning of a word if you know the prefix. So, for example, if I have the word unhappy, the prefix is un. Un comes at the beginning of the word. The suffix comes at the end of the word. Un at the beginning means the opposite. So if I have the word unhappy, I'm going to know that that means the opposite of happy or sad. Root word, in 3rd grade, we have used the word base word to talk about these kinds of words. So for root word, I just want you to think of base word. So in unhappy, the base word would be happy because that's the main part of the word. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll look at these sentences over here, and you're going to figure out which type of sentence goes with which context clue. So the Grinch is a disagreeable character. I'm going to guess that disagreeable is the word that we're going to need to know. And so in this, I see the word agree, and I know that means like get along with. But then I have the word dis on the as a prefix. So I'm going to think to myself, okay, so does dis mean the same or does it mean opposite? And I think that it means the opposite. So I have the word disagreeable. So agree means get along. Dis, the opposite, doesn't get along. And I know the Grinch here is a disagreeable character. So I might move this. I might say that disagreeable, I use this to help me. My prefix used it, so I might drag and drop this one over here. Hint, hint to you guys. All right, we'll see who watched the video today. And then the last thing that you're doing is you're going to come over to the 3rd slide, and this one, you're reading the passage. You're going to highlight the context clue for each bold word. Then you're going to write the meaning of each highlighted word. So, for example, we have the word harvest. And so after I'm done carefully reading this text, I'm going to go in and I'm going to find a context word for harvest. So once the crops are ready to be picked, the farmers harvest the fruits and vegetables. They pick them from the fields. Well, I keep seeing that word pick over and over again. So I might highlight that word in my selection. And then once I've highlighted that word in my selection, let's come over here. Once I've highlighted that word, I can come down here and I can type in the correct meaning. So I can type in pick. All right, and we'll once again see who watched this video because I just gave you the answer for the first one. All right, you guys, good luck today. Do your very best. Remember, this is our final day, our wrap up of context clues. So this is really where you're going to get to show me what you've learned over the course of this unit. All right, bye.